Hey guys, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly refer someone to Wise. Now once you're inside the Wise app, quickest way is to simply click earn the money at the top there. It says earn CZK 1500. So this is basically a quick way to access the link so you can refer someone. So if I tap on that, you will see it takes me here and I can simply copy and share this link. Once I share this link and the person sign up, you see that I'll be able to quickly earn $1,500, and it basically shows you some information there how this works. Now another way you can find this, if you click your profile in the upper left hand side and you scroll all the way down, you'll find a section that says referral and rewards. Tap on that. Here you can simply go ahead and choose refer and earn. So you can tap on that and you can copy the link from here. If you go back, you also have the option to track your referrals if you have any referrals there, and you can also enter a referral link. So once someone give you a referral link, then you are able to go ahead and enter that here and submit. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.